Step one of setup of this is actually like putting it together. So first is attaching this to the bottom of the bird feeder itself. It is adjustable, so once it's locked into place, there's a little piece right here that slips in and locks in. That is step one, and then we can also kind of use that to lie this on its back to do step two, which is to put our little perch in place, and then make sure the cutout portion faces up, and then we go into our bag of tricks and pick up the little screw washer right here, and we'll just tighten that down like so and place that down here. And then we have, which if you notice, there's the lid lock right there and on the back. So when we're putting this in place right there, there's two little cutouts there and there. We simply place them there and then rotate back, and there you go. You hear that lock. That's the little lock mechanism right there. That is assembly of this. The next step is actually setting up the application to talk to the camera there, but if you need to, you will have to charge it. There is the little charging portion right there, and after that is mounting, depending on how you plan to do that. I showed you there's lots of different mounting options. All right, we're gonna move on to setup. After downloading and creating an account with Netvue, we're going to select add, and we're gonna go Birdfy. We're doing this bird feeder, and we can add a friend's camera or we can add our own camera. So we're gonna say add our own, and it is walking us through what we should be doing. All right, so what we need to do, and it's gonna be a little tricky, so I'm going to remove the lid for this portion. We are supposed to tilt the camera forward and press and hold until it emits a tip sound, which is a little odd, but we're gonna press and hold. I'm going to assume that is the tip noise. I'm going to select I heard it and move on. Confirm whether I'm hearing it. I am hearing it. Next. All right, so now it's asking me to set up the Wi-Fi network, and we're just going to do that off camera. And it has generated a QR code, which I need to scan with this. So it's going to be tricky. Oh, sounds like it did it. I heard a beep, but it's not telling me to progress, so we're gonna try again.
Connection succeeded.
And now it is walking through the Wi-Fi setup. Initializing camera, all done. Wi-Fi signal strength is strong. We're gonna say next. We're just gonna leave it with that name, but we can choose a location. I can add a different location if I want. We are going to say garden and done.
Upgrade in process.
All right, as imagined, there is a firmware update, so we'll just let that run. And once the firmware is up to date, you have access to the Netvue app. And right here, you can kind of see in real time how quick that is to respond. So that's pretty good, actually. We're just gonna aim that down a little more. And there we go.